How to convert PDF into Microsoft Excel. You need to open the PDF in Adobe PDF. Then you can see export PDF. Select spreadsheet. If you have Excel 203, you can select it, but any other type of Excel, just pick this one, then export. I'll save it in my desktop. Just double click and then save. Then it will open automatically. This will only work if this PDF was saved from a previous Excel file. But in an instance, if there are images, like you can see here, I can just edit this Excel, just add the formula, and it will give me the same answer. Okay, if I drag, they just give me the same answer. Now you can see the formula. Now in this case, in a case where, for instance here, these are images from a book. Now if you convert this to Excel spreadsheet export, they just come in the form of images. So this will only work in the case where the PDF was saved from a Excel file. But if they are images, they'll just come in the form of images. But either way, you will be able to convert that PDF into Microsoft Excel file. So this will take longer to process the file because you can see these are images from a book. It's not it's like pictures or images, not a PDF which was previously in spreadsheet format, and it was converted back to PDF. So let's see the form this Excel spreadsheet will be looking like. It will take longer to open, but it will open. So you can see this one is a BOQ, and if you like this video and if you want to see more videos like this, please do consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My next project, I want to talk about BOQ. I will explain how you can prepare this BOQ in Microsoft Excel, which you can easily be able to do the cost of estimation of your project using just Excel and not any other software. And also I prefer to work with real life project because that is the only way you will be sure that you are doing what is actually acceptable and actually standard based on what is done in the field. So I'm not trying to promote any kind of work or anything. It is my style to try and work with real life projects. Okay. So this one will take even longer to open because you can see these are images. That's how but it will open. That's how you convert PDF to Microsoft spreadsheets. I can open another one which I did. If I have an Excel here, I think this one is taking too long to open. It's taking too long to open. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.